everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to work on this little cushion throw pillow that my daughter and I found in the dumpster. We are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box below if you want to pay a visit and see us rescuing amazing things from the dumpsters. This is one of the less amazing. We also found tons of this yarn. We found like 4 or 5 of each color. There were some in white also. We donated most of them. I kept these 2 because I'm going to need them. And that's what I'm going to use for this DIY. I'm going to show you that I'm going to make something different on each side, and then I'm going to explain you why. So I'm using these Sugar Bonder fabric sticks that you can see here. Okay, let me show you the bag. I love them. I'm not affiliated to the manufacturer in any shape or form. It's only that I love them. They come in a bag. They are 18 in a bag. They are 18 in a bag, and I paid, I think, $9 or something, less than $10 on Amazon. So whenever I have to glue something on fabric, that's what I use. So I will start adding this one. We have to kind of comb them because they are like tassels. So I want them to be all looking down. So I'm going to add the glue on the top border, like so. And then I'm going to adhere the first strip. I always have doubts with that word, you know. You know already, I hope, that my English is not my mother language, and I think it's obvious. And I love English and I'm trying to improve it, but there are words that I still have problems with, and this is one of them. So, okay, I've added the first one. As the glue dries white, there is no problem if it shows somewhere. So now I'm going to cut this here. And I'm going to add another one right below the other. Like this way. Okay. So I'm going to add a bit of glue and do it in parts, not all at once like I did the first one, because I don't want to glue the first line. So, oh, I need another stick, and I need to remove this from my finger. Oh my god. Okay, please go. So now I'm going to add another bit of glue and adhere another part so I don't glue the top border. And I will do the same with the remaining. The stick wants to leave take them. And I'm going to finish it here. As you can see, it's really easy. It's just a matter of being careful and do it slowly. So I'm going to cut again what's left, and we have the second one. So now I'm going to do the same with all the front of this pillow, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and my throw pillow is finished on one side and also on the other side. Of course, when you turn it around, you have to comb the tassels, I don't know how to call them, for them to look pretty. And let me explain you the story. I'm going to use this side for Easter. I wanted to use both sides because this side is going to be for my birthday party. I'm going to turn 70 in October, and I'm going to have a Cinderella theme party. Cinderella is my favorite princess. I told you this story in a previous video. And when I was growing up in my country, you didn't dress up as any character nor have theme parties. So it was always my dream to have a Cinderella party and dress up as Cinderella. So that's what I'm going to do in October. I will dress up, I will be aging Cinderella, and I will have a lot of Cinderella stuff as decoration. I showed you one in the previous video last week, and this is another one. I'm looking for the Cinderella crystal slipper, or shoe, but they are expensive. Anyways, October is still far away. Maybe I'll find it, and I want to place it here on the table. But if I can find it, I'm going to use this pillow to showcase the tiara and the wand, as you can see now, and I love it. I really love it. So in the meantime, till October, we have Easter, and I thought, well, let me use the other side for Easter, because I have a set of beautiful Easter throw pillows that are bigger, and this will fit in the center with another small pillow that is a rabbit. So that's perfect for that occasion. This is my DIY for you today. It's part of the challenge Flippin Friday, hosted by Jaime from Board or Bananas. Her channel will be linked in the description box. Please visit her channel. Thank you, Jaime, for hosting. And please watch the videos in the playlist that is also linked in the description box. I hope you will give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to all of you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.